Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm very excited to present our brand new Kia Tasman. We believe it's a fantastic pickup truck that blends lifestyle and utility, marking the beginning of a new phase in the evolution of the pickup market. With the Tasman, we've listened to our customers and created a pickup truck that is meant for explorers, adventurers, and people who need to get things done. In order to capture that spirit of practicality in the Tasman's design, we stripped away at everything that is unnecessary and started with an honest form. Then, with simple, rugged elements, we designed the Kia Tasman to be solid and capable. And, in combination with innovative functional elements, to serve as a dependable companion in every situation. With the Tasman, we aim to push the pickup truck in a new dimension, providing features and technology not yet seen in this segment, adding advanced consumer functionality and convenience. Visible from the side of the vehicle, the Tasman's chamfered door design expresses its tough and rugged character, emphasized by the angled cuts of the graphic elements. The upright windshield and rear glass contribute to the vehicle's bold stance and purposeful silhouette. The design of the fender, one of the Tasman's most unique features, combines practical functionality such as headlights, storage, and gas filler cap, as well, of course, as providing cover for the wheels. At the front of the vehicle, with a wide proportioned radiator and bumper design, the Kia Tasman gives the impression of a capable and powerful machine. The treatment of the hood, in conjunction with the radiator, frames the signature Kia Tiger face. Its robust character is further emphasized by the bold skid plate. The vertically oriented signature lighting, in combination with our thin lens technology, gives a high-tech, confident impression. Now, moving to the rear of the Tasman, the focus on usability is clear, as seen through the steps on the bumper corners. A confident rear design is brought to life with a tailgate featuring a boldly stamped Kia logo. In addition to this, the bedgate handle and high-mounted stop lamp are integrated to allow for a clean and practical rear design. Today, as you know, we live in the most advanced era of automation. Yet, in contrast to this, we also value things crafted by human hands. The design of the Tasman's interior is simple, self-assured, and, in our opinion, has a unique character. The interior space, a clear and practical aesthetic, aiming to be an honest and dependable partner and companion. The interior of the Kia Tasman provides users with a robust and intuitive space that is fitting to the rugged character of a pickup truck. Based on a unique and horizontal wide design, it uses symmetrical proportions to create a stable and concise appearance. Large air vents behind a honeycomb pattern emphasize the function of the ventilation system with a purposeful mechanical aesthetic. Additionally, the interior's unique character is strengthened by an attention to detail and refinement that we believe is very important to the modern truck customer. The interior of the Tasman offers a carefully designed experience that has been guided by our creative philosophy, Opposites United. The contrasts of solid, rugged utility with refined sophistication are expressed both visually through the touch and feel of the selected material. A variety of features seamlessly integrated into the cabin provide added convenience. With the adaptable large folding table incorporated into the center console and multi-storage space of the passenger dashboard, we wanted to bring useful features that are both innovative and easy to use. At the same time, the second row seats include additional storage options, while the tilt functionality offers users better levels of comfort. The Kia Tasman will also be available in an off-road trim with the X-Line and X-Pro. The X-Pro offering more capability with up to 28 millimeters of ground clearance. It also features 17-inch wheels with optional all-terrain tires, while the X-Line comes with 18-inch wheels with highway and terrain tires. In addition to the increased ground clearance of the X-Pro, both the X-Line and X-Pro versions feature front and rear bumpers specially designed for off-road driving and are equipped with orange towing hooks and a black badge. The lineup of the Tasman includes a wide range of customized accessories tailored to the user's lifestyles and needs. The double deck offers the most flexibility, incorporating a large trunk and space that can be divided in two levels, highlighting the individualization opportunities of the Tasman. The space on the upper level can be used for storage, while the main deck can also be further organized using the additional available modular boxes. Useful features also include butterfly doors to facilitate ease of access and full-width moldy panels to increase storage efficiency. With the Kia Tasman, we offer 13 customized products that can be used in combination according to our users' needs. The Tasman we see behind you features the double deck unit with tubular side step, tow hitch, and 17-inch wheels. Other combinations, for example, the single deck type, naturally integrated into the rugged design of the Tasman, or the sports toolbar that provides additional functionality through the use of accessories, are also available. As you can see, through varied combinations, the possibilities are endless. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Kia Tasman. We believe it will offer our customers a perfect balance of innovation, functionality, and adventure. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everyone. I would first like to express my gratitude to all of you who have eagerly awaited and anticipated today's official reveal of the Kia Tasman. And I hope you are ready to dive into a new dimension. In addition to the differentiated design explained earlier by Kareem, I will now go into detail on how Tasman excels in all the fundamentals of a pickup, while still delivering Kia's differentiated product value. So let me start with the Tasman launching plan. Kia's new innovative pickup truck will be manufactured at Hwaseong plant in South Korea and launched in the key markets of Middle East, South Korea, Australia, Africa, Asia Pacific, and Latin America. Meanwhile, the Tasman lineup will consist of 5 derivative models: double cab pickup, double cab chassis, single cab pickup, single cab chassis, and an off-road version. We believe that if Kia is going to produce a pickup truck, it should satisfy the evolving needs of customers by embodying the essence of a true traditional pickup while also standing out from existing models. Therefore, we adhere to two major principles during the product development phase. First, we have ensured outstanding product competitiveness as a pickup truck. And second, we created differentiated product value by focusing on the customer perspective. First, let's take a look at the specifications that you are most likely curious about. The Tasman is 5,410 millimeter long, 1,930 millimeter wide, 1,870 millimeter high, and has a wheelbase of 3,270 millimeter, with 1,017 up to 1,195 kilogram payload capacity and 3.5 ton towing capacity for export models. Tasman is perfectly capable of hauling items such as yachts or camping trailers. And as utility is often the most important factor for pickup owners, our development team paid special attention to three aspects. First, we maximize the bed space to 1,173 liters. Second, we have enhanced the utility of the bed by incorporating power outlet and bed lamps, while also adding corner steps to the rear bumper as a standard feature to improve convenience. Third, in addition to the typical storage spaces, we have provided a 6.3 liter wheel arch side storage, crash pad multi-storage for the front passenger seat, and a class-leading 33 liter under the second row seat cargo. Now, let's take a look under the hood. Despite the market trend of engine downsizing aimed at reducing emissions and improving engine efficiency, we remain focused on the essential elements of pickup trucks, such as towing capacity and payload, while striving to maintain engine power balance. Tasman will be available with optimized power plant options, a Theta 3 2.5 turbocharged gasoline engine, and a new R2.2 turbocharged diesel engine. Both engines have been enhanced with advanced cooling technologies to improve fuel efficiency. And while confirmed figures will be announced following homologation, the Theta 3 gasoline 2.5 turbo and R diesel 2.2 turbo engines are expected to offer competitive fuel economy. Now, let's go off the beaten track. The Tasman development team has ensured that off-road enthusiasts do not miss out on the joy of off-roading by applying an all-wheel drive system that distributes power evenly on all wheels for stable driving on various types of terrains. The off-road variant will be launched in two trims, the X-Line and X-Pro. The X-Line focuses on design enhancements featuring off-road inspired aesthetics, while the X-Pro not only offers a distinctive design, but also improved off-roading capability. The X-Pro trim comes with an electronic locking differential as a standard feature, along with X-Track mode for low-speed cruise control while off-roading. Additionally, ground clearance of 252 millimeter, which is about 28 millimeter higher than the base model for better off-road performance. And to further enhance the enjoyment of off-roading, we have designed a dedicated page on the AVNT screen that provides essential information for off-roaders. Additionally, we have applied a ground view monitor to provide a convenient driving experience. In addition to snow, mud, and rock terrain modes, we have also introduced desert mode that is specifically tailored for the Middle East region. This mode allows for superior performance and capability during desert driving by enhancing low-speed driving as well as climbing and escape capabilities to ensure a seamless experience when driving in desert environments. The development of the Tasman was rooted not only in our engineering and manufacturing expertise, but also our commitment to providing differentiated experiences by putting the customers at the core of everything that we do. For example, we found that many pickup users have no other option but to compromise on second ride comfort. Therefore, our engineers made considerable efforts to address this issue. In fact, Tasman offers exceptional rear seating convenience. In addition to best-in-class rear legroom of 915 millimeter, the second row slide and recline seats can slide forward by up to 60 millimeter, as well as recline by 22 to 30 degrees for maximum passenger comfort and utility. Meanwhile, the ride quality delivers a refined experience during both on-road and off-road driving, while demonstrating stable and balanced ride and handling performance. To achieve this, we have applied a double wishbone suspension in the front and equipped the vehicle with smart frequency dampers to minimize road and terrain vibrations. Next, we believe that Kia's very first pickup should provide the latest in customer-centric connectivity, while ensuring that today's complex technological features are easy and intuitive to use. The integrated 12.3-inch cluster and AV&T, or audio-video navigation and telematics, features an enhanced UX design for easy access to a variety of vehicle information and entertainment options. To effectively and conveniently utilize the latest connectivity features, we have applied our next-generation infotainment system called CCNC, or Connected Car Navigation Cockpit, along with control unit OTA technology. Similar really to firmware updates on a smartphone, the latest software is transmitted within the vehicle through OTA technology. And thanks to vehicle integration with connected car services infrastructure, customer can keep their Tasman up to date without the need to visit a service center, simply by updating the vehicle's control unit. The control unit OTA feature through connected car services is currently available in Korea, Australia, New Zealand, with plans to expand to the Middle East and Asia Pacific and Central and South America in the future. Now, Tasman is equipped with the latest advanced driving assistant technologies, in particular FCA2 and HTA2, both utilizing cutting-edge sensor technology to create the smartest and safest pickup out on the road today. HTA is currently available in Australia and New Zealand and have further expansion plans in the future. As the latest and most advanced driving assist system found in Kia vehicles today, HTA2 not only autonomously changes lanes when the turn signal is activated with your hand on the wheel, but also assists with keeping the vehicle in the middle of the lane to avoid collision with adjacent vehicles. In addition, RSPA, or Remote Smart Parking Assist, enables remote forward and backward parking and exiting, allowing worry-free parking in tight spaces despite Tasman's large size. As you can see, Tasman is a genuine pickup truck that combines Kia's distinctive product characteristics with all-around competitiveness to open a new era of utility vehicles. From all of us at Kia, we invite you to dive into a new dimension of adventure with Tasman. And thank you once again for taking part in today's global world premiere.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to World Cars channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. See you in the next one.
World Car.